In the realm of financial recovery, few opportunities are as potentially lucrative as surplus funds recovery. Surplus funds, often arising from tax foreclosure sales, mortgage foreclosures, or other real estate transactions, can be a hidden treasure for those who know how to access them. In this article, we will explore what surplus funds recovery is, how it works, and how you can potentially benefit from this unique financial opportunity. Understanding surplus funds. Surplus funds, also known as excess proceeds or overages, occur when the final sale price of a property exceeds the total amount owed to the creditor, including fees, taxes, and liens. These funds become surplus or excess, and they rightfully belong to the previous property owner or other interested parties. How surplus funds are created. 1. Tax foreclosure sales. When a property owner fails to pay property taxes, the government may auction off the property to recover the unpaid taxes. If the property sells for more than the tax debt owed, surplus funds are generated. 2. Mortgage foreclosures. In cases of mortgage foreclosure, if the property sells for more than the outstanding mortgage balance and associated costs, surplus funds are created. 3. Other real estate transactions. Surplus funds can also arise from other real estate transactions where the sale price exceeds the total amount of debts and fees. The surplus funds recovery process. 1. Identification. The first step in surplus funds recovery is identifying cases where surplus funds exist. 1. This often involves researching foreclosure sales records and court documents. 2. Legal process. Once identified, the rightful owner of the surplus funds must navigate a legal process to claim their share. This may involve filing a claim with the court or working with an attorney specializing in surplus funds recovery. 3. Distribution. After approval, the surplus funds are distributed to the rightful owner or parties entitled to a share. This can include former property owners, lien holders, or other creditors. Benefits of surplus funds recovery. 1. Financial windfall. Recovering surplus funds can result in a significant financial windfall for individuals and entities owed these funds. 2. Debt resolution. Surplus funds can be used to pay off outstanding debts, including mortgages, taxes, and liens. 3. Investment opportunities. Individuals can reinvest surplus funds into real estate or other investments, potentially increasing their wealth over time. 4. Legal assistance. Many professionals specialize in surplus funds recovery, helping individuals navigate the legal process and maximize their recovery. Conclusion. At Quality Recovery Agency, we understand surplus funds recovery represents an often overlooked and underutilized financial opportunity for those willing to explore it. By understanding how surplus funds are generated and taking the necessary steps to claim them, individuals can unlock hidden financial potential and achieve debt resolution, investment opportunities, and a brighter financial future. If you believe you may be entitled to surplus funds, consider reaching out to us today at www.surplusmoney.so or 336-447-7638 for free consultation assistance to help you navigate the process and make the most of this unique financial avenue.